Sa mga balitang naglabasan kamakailan lang. Naghiwalay na raw ang magkasintahang Maris Racal at Rico Blanco. Grabe, parang kahapon lang na pinag-usapan natin ang kanilang 25 taong agwat sa edad. Pero sabingan nila ang pag-ibig ay parang kanta. Minsan nagtatapos din sa chorus. Naaalala niyo ba yung kanta ni Maris na Abot Langit na pinagsamahan nila noong 2019? Siguro naging inspirasyon nila yun. Pero hindi nga pala Abot Langit ang kanilang pag-ibig. Sa isang press conference noong Biyernes, Hulyo 12, malungkot na kinumpirma ng aktres ang kanilang paghihiwalay. Narito ang statement ni Maris sa napaka-fresh na breakup niya kay Rico.
I'm really scared. Ang dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of smiling and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Rico and I are over. It's fresh. It's been 3 weeks. Loneliest, emptiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life. Me and Rico's universe was so beautiful as it was so full of love, laughter, music, spontaneity, everything. Sa 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page, I'm going through changes in my life at the moment. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world and the truth is, I am going through changes. Alam naman natin yon, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan, and wala ka nang ibang gagawin. You have to face it and confront it. I told Rico about my problems and issues in life, and he took it like a man.